Hi all, welcome to episode 8 of Kamal Tech Vlogs. Today I have some news for OnePlus Nord users. That is, it's about the OnePlus Nord update as of December 18, 2020. And please do watch till the end. There is a twist in the news because they are from two different sources. So I would be telling you about that in the end. And if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And so let's start. So according to Puniaki Web, on December 16th, I think, they posted stating that it has been confirmed that OnePlus Nord phone, which it will not be getting any update in December of Android 11, but they did go ahead and mention that many of the community users were complaining about this in OnePlus community forum. So they said that one of the users contacted the OnePlus team, and the reply what OnePlus team gave to him was exciting. I was very excited to learn the news at that time, before 2 days, that's a couple of days. And the news was like OnePlus told like we will be getting a Android 10 update for December, as they send out the updates bi-monthly. That is, in October we got the previous update, so now we must be getting the update. So that will be coming imminent. That will be coming soon as possible. They'll start rolling it out. But about Android 11, they don't have any news still. So I started thinking, okay, I'm an Android Nord user. That is a OnePlus Nord user. So I need to know when the updates are available, and they went ahead and gave a blank statement, which was also updated in Puniaki Web, as you know. So let's check. So with my excitement, I went ahead and called OnePlus customer service, and here where the twist starts. As soon as I called them and I asked them, what about Android 11 update? They told they have no news about it. Blankly. Secondly, I asked, okay, online it was updated that you will be sending an Android 10 update at least, which we get every 2 months. Like in October we got, so we must be getting in December. He told he had no news about that also, and they had rolled out the update only in November. I told no, in October I got the update myself, and all the Nord users got it. So you can decide what is the mind flow of OnePlus at the moment. So next I told them, okay, wait a second, we will talk the same thing again what you just told me. Let me just have a small recording on over here. And I started recording. Oh, OnePlus Nord gives Google recording. So as soon as I press recording, it says your call is being recorded, and he knew the call is getting recorded. Nice. So then I asked the same question again to him. So tell me about the update, when I'm getting Android 11 update, when I'm getting Android 10 update. For that he had a single tone. His tone actually changed, and a single statement. We have no update about updates. Secondary time. In quotations, we have no update about update. So you can go ahead and decide, all the Nord users, about what is going to happen about OnePlus Nord updates at the moment. And let's go ahead and hit the community forum and ask OnePlus for an answer. Because it's not a cheap phone what we have got. We have all spent about 30,000 to the max in a OnePlus Nord phone. And while they were releasing it, they told that it's a flagship for OnePlus Nord. Then they released OnePlus N10, N100, which are all basic phones. But this is the flagship phone of that. And you are supposed to get an update on this. And if you don't get an update, we had to hit the community forum and ask them what they're going to do about the updates. So join me in this, and if you have your own thoughts regarding the update status, please go ahead and comment down so that we can discuss it together. And if you have liked this video so far and you enjoyed the news, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe for future notifications. And until we meet next time, you have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend.